Hello everyone, you are listening to the Money Builders Show. Inspire, inculcate, and innovate. Episode 23 7 Mistakes to Avoid in Life. There are several mistakes you do in your life, but there are several mistakes you should not commit at all to save yourself from being lost in life. These are 7 mistakes you should avoid to live a joyful life. First one is not taking risks. Don't avoid risks in life, they help you grow stronger. Very few people take risks in life and they reach higher positions. In the beginning, comfort becomes your instinct. This instinct keeps searching for ways to gain more comfort and luxury and makes you lazy. You don't take risks because you care comfort more than risk. You need to take every risk that comes in your way, and out of many risks you pursue, at least one risk can change your life forever. When you don't grow and become better every day, you can't enjoy your life. There are several excuses you may tell for not taking risks in life. And the most common fear in you and everyone is fear of failure. Failure is part of the success and it gives you lessons and experiences that are valuable, and nothing can give you such wisdom for life that failure gives you. Accept failures just the way you accept success in life. Remember, one big or unexpected move or a risk can change your entire life forever. Second one is not learning from failures. Failures happen to everyone and there is no one who only has success alone in their life. Even if you study the lives of great and successful people you will find that they did not succeed in one attempt. Their success resulted from several trials and perseverance. Their glorious success is a result of wonderful lessons taught by failures. In every failure they faced, they learned their mistakes and fixed them in the next trial. And you need to learn from all your failures and you need to accept them as part of your success. Remember, learn from failures as they teach you real lessons for growth in life and find success. Third one is dwelling in the past and worrying about the future. Most people stuck in life, either they are stuck in pain from the past or in worry about the future, and they forget about this moment. If you live in the past and the future in your head, it's not possible to live in the present and enjoy your life. You need to fix this. You need to stop dwelling in the past and stop worrying about the future. Then it's possible to live in the present and grow into a better person. Remember, you can't control the past or the future. You can only control this moment. Fourth one is not being grateful. Have you ever felt there is something missing in your life? Have you ever felt jealous looking at others as they have something you wanted? I hope you have. But do you know what they have gone through? At least do you know what they are going through? No, right? Sometimes you need to understand that no one is perfect. Everyone has something missing in their life. Sometimes you want to become rich like someone, and that someone may not have happiness, but you have happiness, for which you have to be so grateful. There are people who are suffering because of their health, and if you have good health, be grateful. There are people who are dying, but you still have life. Be grateful. You can be grateful for every minor thing in your life. There is no exception. Be grateful every day as you are better than many people in this world, and live your life with hope. Remember, being grateful gives you self-awareness and helps you realize the importance of your life. Fifth one is being desperate. When unpleasant situations happen in your life, you mostly give up your control to situations, and then you'll start suffering by abusing the unpleasant situation. The more you abuse the bad situation, the more you will lose hope and become desperate. Soon, you will become victim of that bad situation in your life. You'll lose your happiness and peace. When there is no hope, there is no interest in life. Hope is the fuel that runs your life to accomplish your dreams and goals. By giving away your control to the bad situation, you prove that you are weaker than situations. Instead of abusing the bad situations in your life, if you have understood the situations well and tried to solve them, then you would have grown more in your life with hope. Then you would have grown more hope in your life instead of losing it. Hope is very necessary. Never lose hope in any situation. Remember, having hope makes you and losing hope breaks you. Sixth one is living someone else's life. The truth is, most people aren't living their lives, they are living someone else's. What about you? Ask these questions, and if your answer is yes, then you are also living someone else's life. Do you care more about others' judgment about you? Do you do things in life to impress others? If your answer is yes, you are not living your life. You have this one life and the limited one. If you try to act more, you will fail to live it. Do things you love. Live to impress yourself. Take risks and work on your goals, not caring about judgment. Live life to the fullest. Remember, live your life in the way you love it, and don't live someone else's life and lose yourself. And the seventh one and the final one is not following your passion. You are lucky enough if you know what your passion is. There are people who are still searching and are unhappy as they couldn't find their passion. Follow your passion. Passion keeps you active and happy, and you will never feel tired of work if your work is your passion. No one wants to live a regretful life. Everyone deep inside wishes to fulfill their dreams and wishes. Not following your passion costs your valuable life and peace. Follow your passion and live your life instead of suffering a regretful life. Remember, following your passion makes you feel alive, and not following it makes you feel dead. Avoid these 7 mistakes in your life to live a joyful life where you feel more alive and peaceful at every step of your life. If you like this episode, subscribe to the podcast and you can share it with your loved ones. Until then, see you in the next episode.